Welcome to Buddha's International TV Special News Bulletin. How immune system playing important role to protect yourself from the threats of any infection, particularly even coronavirus. Today we have important two guests participating from United States of America. Welcome sir and welcome ma'am. I'm Dr. ABMK Varaprasad, Managing Director, Nature Science and Medicine Hospitals Private Limited, India, and Vice President of Human Rights Council of America, Chicago. I'm updating from India. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, UN representative and president of various organizations like Human Rights Council of America, Global Unani Medicine and Research Foundation, and Global Health and Peace International and various organizations. Welcome, sir. Dr. Sadhvi, medical nutritionist and iridologist, staying in California, updating from USA. Welcome, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
So, Dr. Ramakrishna Shah, what is the role of vitamins in protecting our body? It means to improve the immune system to protect from not only the coronavirus but also from any threats. So, could you please update, sir?
Vitamin it play important role in our body because first there are so many kind of vitamin. Our body need 13 kind of vitamin,
Okay, sir.
and these vitamin reduce our child mortality, morbidity, and help for physical and mental development,
Hmm.
help for bone development,
Hmm.
help for skin development,
Hmm.
and they develop our morbidity because in this time SAR country they have lot of morbidity problem.
Hmm.
People sick after 1 week, other week, every time going to sick. So this problem, this kind of problem create problem for vitamin deficiency. There are two kinds of vitamin, fat soluble and water soluble.
Yes, sir.
Water soluble vitamin we do not store long time. But fat soluble vitamin we store long time. Our body store long time. Our lungs store long time. Our fatty tissue store long time. But water soluble vitamin B and C you need to use daily. And how much our body need, they take that kind of thing. So mostly beta carotene, alpha carotene, that kind of vitamin, all the vitamin present in that kind of thing. So if I take that kind of vitamin, our body take how much vitamin needed, how much vitamin needed, and take that kind of thing.
Yes.
Other thing, fat soluble vitamin coming A, D, E, K. Vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin D,
Yes, sir.
and vitamin K.
Yes, sir.
Our body does not make vitamin.
Hmm.
So we need to take balanced diet.
Yes,
if you
sir.
take balanced diet, then our immune system going to develop. Because if you take balanced diet, if you good nutrition, then they help our for vitamin also.
Yes, sir.
So because if our body have no protein, vitamin does not absorb properly. So we need protein for absorb our vitamin, our body.
Yes, sir.
So protein is needed for our body. So lot of people, and there are so many things. If our food have no protein, we do not absorb vitamin properly. Other thing, they have lot of soil, erosion soil. There are lot of countries soil have no any nutrient. And if you use that kind of vegetable, this vegetable have no any nutrient. So soil, you need to check soil. Soil need to our plant. If soil have nutrient, then they coming our plant. So
Yes, sir.
So there are so many things.
Yes, sir.
Deficiency, we in our culture, lot of people thinking, oh, vitamin, we take everyday vitamin, no problem. But vitamin is a play lot of side effect. If you take lot of vitamin, a hypervitaminosis.
Yes, 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 sir.
And lot of people in the SAR country, lot of people die over
Nutrition.
vitamin. They take lot of hypervitaminosis. If we are going to hypervitaminosis, people is getting faint, itching body, that kind of vomiting, and people will die. So we need to, everything need to take, if you would take medicine, then we need to our body, need to check our body,
Yes,
what
sir.
kind of deficiency we have.
Yes, yes, sir.
And they have a lot of technique. We need to check our deficiency for, how can check deficiency for vitamin?
Yes, sir.
This new technology, urology.
Yes, sir.
So
Thank you.
you can check yourself if your body have vitamin deficiency, then you want to check through eye.
Yes, sir.
This urology system, which is the new method for this the world.
Yes,
Other
sir.
thing is the blood test.
Yes, sir.
If you take blood test, that can check what kind of vitamin you have
Yes.
needed.
Yes, sir.
But blood test is not possible. This is expensive. So better we need to take vitamin, green vegetable, yellow fruit every day.
Yes,
If
sir.
you take green vegetable, yellow fruit every day, we are going to healthy
Yes, yes, sir.
and they control child mortality, they reduce morbidity,
Yes, sir.
development, physical and mental development.
Yes, sir.
So a lot of things.
Yes, yes, sir.
So vitamin is the main factor in our body.
Yes, yes, sir.
Sometimes people say we need large amount, thing is better, but large amount is sometimes nothing because a small amount. Vitamin is a small amount, but they play a big role.
Yes, sir.
Just like poison. Poison is always a small amount, but they create a lot of problem. So vitamin food is a different thing, but we need to protect our body. Then we need vitamins, proper vitamins.
Yes, sir.
They protect our body, they protect our immune system, they protect our life also,
Yes, sir.
and they provide good life. So
Yes, sir.
thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Dr. Ramakrishna Shah explained very simple methods in how the vitamins playing very important role to protect our body because it is the basic elements it is required. Though its quantity is very less quantity required in our body, but it is playing very important role. So that's why to protect our body. So unless we take the vitamins and it is not at all possible to maintain our body. So compulsory, regularly, we have to take the vitamins in the natural form. In that way, Dr. Ramakrishna Shah is advising. Dr. Sadhvi, what does mean by these amino acids and what are the roles of amino acids in our body? Could you please explain?
First of all, thank you, Varabhashan sir and Ramakrishna sir for giving me this opportunity. So coming back to the question, actually many people are not aware of amino acids and its importance. So I'll give a brief discussion about that.
Very good.
Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, which are useful in many ways. Like it is useful for the production of enzymes, the synthesis of hormones, neurotransmitters, and plays many critical roles in the body. Amino acids are compounds that combine to form proteins. So when the proteins are digested or breaks down, amino acids are left. The body uses these amino acids to help in various ways, such as in tissue growth, building muscle, and nutrient absorption, and also it even in regulating immune function also. So amino acids are mainly categorized as essential, non-essential, or conditionally essential.
Good.
Actually, our body needs 20 different types of amino acids to grow and function properly. In these, 9 are classified as essential, 11 as non-essential. So when come to non-essential, these are produced naturally by the body. Second is essential. There are 9 body and must be obtained through food, from the outside source, that is through food. So sufficient amount of essential amino acids are found in plant-based foods, such as you can find in beans, nuts, seeds, whole grains and vegetables. So third category is conditionally essential. These are needed only under specific conditions, like when we are ill or injured or stressed. That means at that time only the body may not be able to produce these amino acids. So we may need to provide through food. So if a person has not consuming enough amino acids, that means deficient. If a person is deficient to amino acids, that can negatively impact the entire body, including your immune system, nervous system, digestive system, and reproductive system. So it is very, very important to take the food that contains amino acids regularly, along with other macro and micronutrients, because it prevents from muscle loss, and also it improves your mood, sleep, weight loss, and also it improves your active performance. So these are very, very beneficial to maintain healthy life. I hope everyone from now they'll consume sufficient amount of amino acids. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sadhvi. And you mentioned that essential amino acids compulsory we have to provide. Otherwise, our body cannot produce any even hormones or come to neurotransmitters or muscles building also may not take place. So that's why these can be called as essential. And without providing the essential, our body cannot produce even non-essential also. That's why these are the main important things playing very important role to maintain our body. And apart from that one, I would like to mention even essential fatty acids also, like omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. And omega-3, let us say, we can see in the form of ALA form and alpha-linolenic acid. And come to omega-3 fatty acids, we have to see in the EPA and DHA form. So eicosapentaenoic pentoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid. So that's why if a person can consume complete vitamins, complete minerals, complete amino acids, and complete essential fatty acids, these are the four ingredients are playing very important role to maintain our health. And if anybody misses any one out of these four categories, and definitely and they cannot improve their immune system. So that's why these vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and fatty acids, four categories are playing very important role to maintain our health, and that must be in the form of natural form and not in the form of tablets form, because our body cannot understand the tablet form. That's why we have to supply in the food form only. So these are playing very important role to protect our body from the threats of not only in this coronavirus infection but also from any infection, and to maintain our body healthy. And thank you very much, Dr. Ramakrishna Shah. You explained very nicely about the vitamins. And thank you very much, Dr. Sadhvi. You explained the importance of amino acids to our viewers. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.